Hello everyone, we are Simon and Isabella, and today we will be talking about concept of investments and our analysis of Herdes Group.
Grupo Herdes is a leading Mexican company in the processed food sector with over 100 years of experience. Its portfolio includes products such as canned goods, sauces, molds, spices, pastas, and ice creams, under well-known brands like Herdes, Del Fuerte, McCormick, Doña María, Barilla, and Nutriza. Additionally, it has a significant presence in the Mexican food market in the United States through its participation in Megamex Foods. After our analysis, we consider Grupo Herdes to be an attractive investment due to its long-term growth potential, financial stability, and alignment with market trend and sustainability. The sales. Grupo Herdes sales grew from 1.16 thousand millions in 2019 to 2.4 thousand millions in 2023, showing significant expansion. Projections for 2024 to 2028 anticipate continued growth, reaching 2.71 thousand millions in 2028, suggesting stability and market expansion. The projected annual growth rate indicates a rising and predictable revenue trend, which is favorable for investors. The EBIT. Grupo Herdes EBIT showed initial fluctuations from 2019 to 2022, followed by a significant increase in 2023, reaching 326 millions. From 2024 onward, moderate and stable growth is projected, reaching 342 millions in 2028. This positive trend indicates an improvement in operational efficiency, which is favorable for the company valuation and suggests sustainable long-term profitability. The EBITDA. Grupo Herdes EBITDA shows a stable growth from 231 in 2019 to a projected 404 millions in 2028, reflecting cost control and improvements in operating income. Projections for 2024 to 2028 indicate an upward trend, supported by sales growth and greater operational efficiency. The net income. Grupo Herdes net income shows a growing trend, increasing from 115 in 2019 to a projected 460 in 2028. This growth reflects a continuous improvement in profitability, with a notable jump in 2024, which could be due to better cost control or an increase in revenue. Projections indicate a phase of expansion and efficiency, which is positive for investors as it suggests stability and long-term profitability potential. The cash flows. Grupo Herdes cash flow statement shows an increase in EBITDA and free cash flow through 2023, indicating operational efficiency. Capital cash flow remains positive, supporting reinvestment and debt payments. From 2020 to 2024, the company increases its debt to cover investment or operating expenses. In 2025, significant financing of 559 is needed. Starting in 2026, the company begins reducing its debt following a deleveraging strategy in subsequent years. Net cash flow is strong in 2024, but then decreases due to dividend payments and debt adjustments, reflecting a financing and liquidity management strategy.
Well, now let's talk about the assumptions for our projections. Sales growth. Continuous growth in net sales is projected, driven primarily by the canned goods and export segments, along with the key products. Cost reduction. The implementation of artificial intelligence has improved demand accuracy, enhancing the gross margin in 2023. This trend is expected to continue in future years. Capital investments. Grupo Herdes plans to invest 1.4 billion pesos in 2024 to strengthen its infrastructure and increase export capacity. Financing strategy. Our projections show a strategy approach to debt management aimed at financing key projects with a progressive reduction in debt as the company grows. Well, now let's take a look at the principal drivers for this analysis. In summary, Grupo Herdes is projected to improve profitability and operational efficiency while reducing leverage in the later years. Consistent value creation is expected, thanks to a ROIC above the WACC. Okay, moving forward, let's talk about the valuation of Grupo Herdes. The valuation of Grupo Herdes, based on the discounted cash flow DCF method, projects an increase in leverage and WACC, rising from 7.27% to 7.80% by 2028, which impacts the present value of cash flows. The estimated enterprise value is between 4.60 and 4.90 billion of dollars, while equity value decreased from 6,641 billion in 2024 to 3,068 billion in 2028, with the share price dropping from 20.13 to 9.30. Given that the current share price is $2.54. Below the project valuation, there may be an investment opportunity due to a potential undervaluation in the market. Valuation by multiples. Grupo Herdes is valued at a premium on most multiples, especially on PS, price to sale, and enterprise value to earning before interest and taxes. This reflects the market's positive perception of its growth and future profitability compared to its competitors. Next, let's look at Grupo Herdes' ESG analysis focusing on environmental, social, and governance factors. Environmental, water consumption. Goal to reduce water use to 1.98 cubic meters per ton by 2030. Sustainable agriculture. Aim for 50% of raw materials to be sourced from sustainable suppliers. Sustainable agriculture. Aim for 50% of raw materials to be sourced from sustainable suppliers. Energy and emissions. Achieve a 12.6% reduction in energy consumption in 2023. Waste recycling. 82.7% of waste was recycled in 2023. Social responsibility. The Saber Nutrir program aims to combat food insecurity. Diversity. 44% of employees are women with inclusive policies. Talent development. Over 295,000 hours of training provided. Compliance and governance. 100% of staff trained in legal standards. Pay equity and diversity. Ongoing evaluation of pay equity. Sustainable bonds. 42% of debt is linked to sustainable goals. Now, let's move on to the risk analysis. Here are some key risk factors from Grupo Herdes. Exchange rate. Risk from fluctuation in the peso's value affecting revenues and cost. Input prices. Variable costs of water, energy, and raw materials impact overall expenses. Final product prices. Demand could reduce if prices increase. Climate risk. Exposure to extreme weather events affects raw materials. Finally, let's discuss the sensitivity analysis. The company's value is highly sensitive to both ROIC and the perpetual growth rate. Increasing ROIC, or the perpetual growth rate, significantly raises the company value. This shows that to maximize value, the company should aim for high ROIC and sustained growth. In conclusion, these projections confirm Grupo Herdes as an attractive investment to maximize long-term shareholder returns.